Hello! In this tutorial, I will introduce you to drawing arcs and circle-shaped perimeters in DesignBuilder, including convex and concave arcs, circular perimeters, and how to draw a dome. I will start the tutorial by showing you the model that I will be producing to help you visualize the process.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.